So, in my last video I had in the comments about we got a new truck, so here it is. That's a little Sonoma. It's just a two-wheel drive. Guess somebody had a little fender bender with it and messed up the hood and front fender a little bit, so replaced it with a blue one. But other than that, everything's nice on it. Beautiful little truck. Some brand new tires on it. A cap to put the dogs in the back now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. One of our local places near East Chevrolet. It's got a nice cap that goes with it. It's got sunroof in it. No dings or dangs in it. I think that's the extent of the rust on it right there. I had to really zoom in to get that. I think that's the most of it that we'll find, besides the little bit that's on the black bumper. That I'll back the truck out and get another angle of it here. But let's do a cold start on the old girl. Gotta love the new vehicles where you just pop in and extra key for it. Alrighty. Oh, excuse me. Smells like a mechanic's truck. Got 119,000 miles on it. Might as well say 120. Full gauges. Nice and quiet. Oh, nice and warm in here too. Heater works good. Gonna turn this bad girl around here. Oh well, got us at these prices of gas these days, half a tank of fuel. Charger's running, doing good. Got good oil pressure. It's already warmed up, so I guess it wasn't really a cold start. We'll have to come out tomorrow morning and do a real cold start on it. I guess we'll just call this one the introduction video of our new Sonoma and what we're going to be using to get back and forth to the events with. Alrighty. Your dogs are barking. They don't even recognize the truck yet. Needless to say, they're going to be riding in it. Well, the interior's not too bad on it. It's AM/FM cassette radio. No air conditioning. Got the airbags in it. So, interior's not bad at all. Needs a little bit of cleaning, but we'll get that cleaned up. The guy I bought it from was Paul down at the shop. There's this side of it. Get a front view. Got the daytime running lights in it, on it. Well, paint on the bumper. Looks little compared to the mud truck. It's because it is, right? Alright, well, there's our new truck anyways. See how Rex likes it. Come on, Rex. Check out the new truck. Get up in there. Come on. Come on, buddy. Go for a ride with Daddy in the truck? Sure you do. We got heat. And that feel good, huh, Rex? Alright, guys. Here's the truck. Smoke hatch work. I gotta figure out how to open the smoke hatch.